Yeah, there's gonna be some gold mines in here. Sometimes I'm scared to lift it up. I just don't know what I'm gonna find. So it's good for getting the grime off of a surface, especially one that hasn't been cleaned in so long. And look at this. Look at all the gunk that's coming off of this leather.
You don't want to use heavy cleaning agents on your leather frequently. You know, it breaks your leather. It's not good to use constant, but you don't need to. That's what the interior detailer is perfect for.
All right, buddy, what do we got here?
All right, we got a little bit of our work cut out for us, but it's nothing that you and I can't handle.
Amen.
So first off, we're gonna do a light vacuum. We're just gonna pick up a lot of the loose dust and dirt. We're gonna use the new interior cleaning gun. That's gonna blow out all the grime that's in the cracks and crevices. Since we're gonna blow a lot of dust around, we're gonna do another vacuum on top of that. After that's finished, I think we can go ahead and start using the cleaners, the brushes, the scrubbers, and really clean out the leather. I would like to pull out the seats.
Good call.
We'll do the seats, we'll hit it with the extractor.
Yeah.
Any other suggestions that you have?
I have the perfect start.
Okay.
There's gonna be some serious grub coming out of the dashboard. We're gonna probably take, there might be even a third vacuum round. See, like spider webs, there could be rodent droppings in there. There could be a lot of stuff.
Yeah, we might maybe find something of value.
Would that be great?
Yeah.
It'll be our little secret.
Okay. Yeah, there's gonna be some gold mines in here. Sometimes I'm scared to lift it up. I just don't know what I'm gonna find.
So the leather interior cleaner is a solid, heavy cleaner. It's not a sort of cleaner like our interior detailer, light cleaner, more of a conditioner. The total interior cleaner, the blue stuff, that stuff works great, meant to be great on nav screens, meant to be a minor cleaner on seats, but not a heavy duty cleaner on seats. On something like this that hasn't seen any cleaning in possibly 2.5 decades at least, I want a very serious cleaner. I want something that's gonna go into the nooks, into the crannies, that I can use this scrub brush and I can get a meaningful amount of dirt to loosen up so that when I go to wipe it all, I am pulling all of the dirt off the panel.